You see, love is the key. It's the foundation for reconciliation, for love humbles itself. And love says you and your needs are more important than mine. Love is not an empty promise. Love is not an inactive account. No, love acts. It cares. It sacrifices for others. Love never fails. And it calls us back to the ones we love, even when we have betrayed, even when we have denied, and even when we have been betrayed or denied. Of course, as we've already mentioned, this kind of reconciling love always begins with Jesus. And this morning, he is asking each of us, do you love me?